So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can set up the Euro currency within Revolut. So for example, let's say your main Revolut account is in a different currency, such as pounds or dollars, and you want to set up another account for euros. You'll just want to click on the profile option at the top here. And then from there, you'll just want to click on account settings and then account details. And then once you've done that, you'll see a long list of currencies that you can add to your Revolut account. So you'll just need to go ahead and find euros. And then once you've selected euros, you'll then be greeted by your new Euro account details. And if you head back to the home dashboard, click on accounts, you'll then be able to select your new Euro account. And then once you've done that, you can also move money over. So if you click on move, you'll then be able to move euros into the account from your other currency. And that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.